folks, this is Liu channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called the Cumin flavored sliced beef. Chinese name called 孜然牛肉. The main ingredients we need a piece of beef. You can have 1 pound. This is 2 pounds, a little over 2 pounds. And we need 1 onion. You can use the one onion or the red onion. And we need 1 tablespoon chopped ginger and whole cumin. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the onion. This onion I already peeled that leaf and we wash it. Then we cut the root and this part off. Now we cut it like this. Cut it half. Then we cut it like this. So the fan will be like this. The onion will be like this. Don't cut too big or don't cut too small. Yeah. Okay. This is the onion we get. Okay, we cut the beef. The beef is very big. We cut it from the middle. 2 pieces. Then cut 1 piece and cut the other piece. And we cut the beef. You can see the beef. It grows the fiber. Especially this, you can see the fiber is like this way. So when we cut it, we just slice it. We cut it just against the fiber that grows, the beef fiber. So just slice it, just like this. Not too thin or not too thick. Just like this. If you think it's too big, you can cut it from middle to make it not looks too big. It's all up to you. So just like this, big enough. This is the meat. This is the sliced beef we get. This is the plain salt. We add a pinch plain salt. Don't add too much. Just add a pinch. This is the black pepper. We add a pinch of black pepper to it. This is the cooking wine. You can buy any cooking wine. I use just this kind of, doesn't matter which brand. Use some cooking wine. If you don't have cooking, add some alcohol. Yeah, it's also good. And add one teaspoon cooking wine. Now we use a hand to rub it. Rub it until all the meat is seasoning. Okay. Then we cover meat and leave it here for 10 to 15 minutes, and then we cook it. Use the plastic wrap to seal or cover the meat, and let it keep seasoning. Turn on the stove. 一点 fair. When the pot is hot, we add a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil to it. And rinse the pot. We can add a piece of ginger, a chopped ginger, to see the oil is ready. You see the oil start frying, it means the oil is hot and we will use it. So add 1 teaspoon chopped ginger. This is a whole cumin, and you can buy any brand. And then add 1/2 teaspoon to the oil. Then fry it. until the cumin and the ginger slowly fry. Until the ginger and cumin really good smell. Right now, you can feel the cumin, the ginger. You can smell the ginger and the cumin smell. This is the beef. Now we add the beef to it. Just there's some liquid. Don't add the liquid. Just add the beef into the oil. Just stir fry. Now we turn the fire to the high fire. Just slowly fry until the beef is fully cooked. So we just slowly fry. Just stir it. The red color of the beef will all become white or brown. Just keep going. Just slowly fry until the liquid in the pot is gone. It's gone. Just leave the fat from the beef and go to the oil, and the beef is fully cooked. We go to the next step. Just slowly fry. Now you can see the liquid, the water in it's all gone, and just the liquid. The liquid is the oil, vegetable oil, and the beef fat. And in the beef in the pot, not a lot of liquid. It's just the oil left in the pot and the fat in the pot. The beef is fully cooked. Now this is the soy sauce. You can buy any brand soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon soy sauce to it and stir fry. This is the onion. We have the cut onion. We add it to it. Okay, we fry. This is the dark soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon dark soy sauce to the meat. Stir fry. This is the plain salt. We add I think we add half teaspoon of salt to it. Not too much. If it's not enough, you can try it and then adjust it. This is the whole cumin. We add the other half teaspoon of cumin to it. And stir frying. That is the cumin flavor released out again. Give a strong cumin flavor. Let me try the beef. It's so good. It's fully cooked. We turn off the stove. This dish is done. So the Cumin flavored fried sliced beef, Chinese name called 孜然牛肉. This dish is done. And I hope you like it. And please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.